Robin's Nest English. Country animals.
Country animals.
Country animals.
Some people live in the country.
Some people live in the country.
Many kinds of animals live in the country, too.
Many kinds of animals live in the country, too.
Deer live in the country.
Deer live in the country.
They eat twigs from trees.
They eat twigs from trees.
Robins live in the country.
Robins live in the country.
They make nests in trees.
They make nests in trees.
Squirrels live in the country.
Squirrels live in the country.
They eat nuts from trees.
They eat nuts from trees.
Geese and ducks live in the country.
Geese and ducks live in the country.
They swim in lakes.
They swim in lakes.
Raccoons live in the country.
Raccoons live in the country.
They wash their food in rivers.
They wash their food in rivers.
Foxes live in the country.
Foxes live in the country.
They run and play in fields.
They run and play in fields.
Cows live in the country.
Cows live in the country.
They eat grass from fields.
They eat grass from fields.
Mice live in the country.
Mice live in the country.
They eat grains from fields.
They eat grains from fields.
Do you see animals where you live?
Do you see animals where you live?
What kinds of animals do you see?
What kinds of animals do you see?
Country.
Country.
Some people.
Some people.
Live in.
Live in.
Many kinds of animals.
Many kinds of animals.
Two.
Two.
Deer.
Deer.
Twigs from trees.
Twigs from trees.
Robins.
Robins.
Make nests.
Make nests.
Squirrels.
Squirrels.
Nuts from trees.
Nuts from trees.
Geese.
Geese.
Swim.
Swim.
Lakes.
Lakes.
Raccoons.
Raccoons.
Wash.
Wash.
Rivers.
Rivers.
Foxes.
Foxes.
Fields.
Fields.
Cows.
Cows.
Eat grass.
Eat grass.
From fields.
From fields.
Mice.
Mice.
Grains.
Grains.
Animals where you live.
Animals where you live.